Well, hello, YouTube friends and fans. Today, we're going to take this large panel and put some shelves in a cupboard. This is the before picture of the closet. I have brought the stud finder in, leveled out the wall, put the marks where the cleats are going to go, and the studs. And of course I measured for both sides of the wall, so we should be good to go when we bring everything back in from the garage. Well, we're out to the garage, and this is the panel we're going to use for the shelf. And this pretty ugly board here that's been sitting in a rafter, we're going to use as a cleat to hold the shelf on the first one. And then we're going to use the leftover of the panel to create a support on the side to going up. So let's get started here. I've already been in the house. I know what the measurements have to be. I'm going to do 16-inch spacing between two shelves in this cupboard. So this is a compound slide, but it won't reach 16, so we'll have to flip it. Or I can do that. And I don't recommend it because you really do damage wood. Alright, and this shelf in the back is 29 and just under a half. Now, the only reason I did what I did last time because I knew I had room to kill here. Don't recommend it, and it's not safe. My first cleat's at 24 and a half. This guy right here has to go past the door frame, so I gotta shave off just a fraction of an inch here on the front. Now you should be able to see that cutoff. Get some screws and nails and put this bad boy on the wall. Now we've moved back inside and we're going to assemble all the shelves and the cleats into the closet. Here I'm pre-drilling the cleat. It is made out of oak. I do both ends and the middle. Of course, the first time I do this, I miss the stud by about 1/8 of an inch. So I get the stud finder out, measure it over, and then have to pull the nail out of the oak, which is not that easy. I've obviously drilled it so it was relatively snug. And on the second attempt, we make it go just as planned. Nailed the center, then I nailed the edges so I could level it up. And then once we were done on the left-hand side, we moved to the right-hand side. Pre-drilling the holes, just like we did on the other. I drilled the corners at a slight angle. And again, nailed it at the center and then leveled it. I got the foreman in the background. She's keeping a good eye on it. And of course the other supervisors stroll in and out of the picture. This took just over 15 minutes once I had the initial design. The initial design was measured off the top of the pre-existing shelf. Was going to have 3 in it, but now we decided to go with 2. So I'm installing the shelf, and I didn't glue it down, I didn't nail it down. And the reason being is I'm going to put these 2 side plates in for spacers that I cut in the garage you saw earlier. And I will nail those in place so this shelf won't be able to go anywhere. And I drilled 3 holes in each panel, and I only nailed there on that edge so that way if I needed to pull it off it wouldn't be so hard to remove. And now we're gonna get the other nails in, and I'm going to set the final board on top. And I did nail the very front corner on both sides in. This is the finished closet with the shelf nail and all of the kids' toys now plugged into it. See, I want to thank you for watching. Created a box inside of a box. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This should hold all the kids' and new Christmas gifts. See you on the next video. And old. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Got any good comments, ideas? Please share.